It is called the Devil's Gold, a vital mineral born from the crushing heat of the Earth's mantle.
Harvesting it requires entering a literal hellscape, temperatures of 200 degrees Celsius and air thick with lethal hydrogen sulfide.
This is the ultimate test of human endurance. This.
Our journey begins inside the Kawa-Egan crater. Here, the Earth exhales pure volcanic gases through natural vents.
Sublimation engineering. By channeling the gas through these pipes, we force it to cool and condense into its liquid form.
At this temperature, sulfur is a dark, viscous liquid. It only turns yellow as the molecular structure stabilizes during cooling.
The manual break. Once solidified, the sulfur forms massive, brittle sheets that must be carefully shattered by hand.
Extreme conditions. The gas is so corrosive it can melt the zippers off clothing and cause permanent lung damage. The porter's path. Each man climbs 300 meters out of the crater, carrying weight that exceeds his own body mass.
First checkpoint. The raw crystals are weighed and graded for purity before the descent to the refinery. From the crater to the factory, the raw, volcanic blocks must now undergo a rigorous purification cycle.
Primary crushing. This increases the surface area for the upcoming melting process.
Thermal liquefaction. The pebbles are fed into tanks heated to 130 degrees Celsius, using high-pressure steam.
Mechanical purification. High-pressure filtration removes volcanic ash, rocks, and organic impurities.
Pure liquid sulfur. The clarity of the liquid is the first indicator of reaching 99.8% purity.
Degassing. We must remove trapped hydrogen sulfide gas to prevent the formation of explosive mixtures during shipping.
Solidification. To make sulfur easy to transport and use, we turn the liquid into tiny, uniform beads called prills. Air-cooled prilling. As the droplets fall, they solidify into perfect spheres before hitting the bottom. Precision packaging. The sulfur prills are weighed and sealed into moisture-proof 1-ton bulk bags.
Molecular verification. Samples are burned in an induction furnace to measure residual carbon and impurities.
The industrial catalyst. Most volcanic sulfur is converted into sulfuric acid, the most important chemical in the modern world.
The future of energy. Pure sulfur is now being harvested for next-generation lithium-sulfur batteries.
environmental control. 100% of the factory's emissions are filtered to capture any residual SO2, returning clean air to the atmosphere.
The cycle continues. Despite the technology, the harvest still relies on the incredible courage of these men. Ancient fire. Industrial precision. Global impact.
Agricultural value. Volcanic sulfur is a key nutrient for correcting soil alkalinity and boosting crop yields.
Okay, bring it down slowly. Clear on this side. Set it down easy.
Clear.
Material science. Pure sulfur is the essential agent for vulcanizing rubber, turning soft sap into durable tires.
The seismic activity is increasing rapidly. We have a confirmed thermal spike in the caldera.
Acknowledged. Alert status raised to orange.
Slow down, you're clear on the right.
Copy, slowing it down. Bring up the rear chains.
Extreme origin. Industrial excellence. This is harvest motion.